Hi everyone! Check out our family van, GL Tourer Grandia. The modes I have done so far. I replaced the fog lamp into Baja Squadron Pro for brighter during nighttime. I chooses the yellow so that it will pass through fog. Next, I installed and upgrade the headlight bulb to high power LED. I chooses the white, warm white. And for the horn, I installed Mitsuba Dulce 3. So far, that's the best horn for me. We'll do a sound check. That is only one set. Next, for the tint, I'm using the Clear Max series on the front windshield and the front door to give that private look. For the second row, to the way to the back, I'm using the BF Supreme Plus series. This is the 99% heat rejection, while the Clear Max is 99.2% heat rejection with 100% in UV protection guarantee. Next, we installed electronic stepboard with LED on the bottom so that during night time, when you step, it's very bright. Of course, stock is boring if you don't change your wheels. On this unit, I'm using a custom-made 21-inch Ford's wheels specific for my taste and design. Here's it. You can use 2-piece wheels, 3-piece wheels, but for a van, the company who made this custom wheels suggests I should use 1-piece wheels because this is a big van for heavy load. And I chooses with the bright silver design. Wrap in, with my custom center cap initial PRS. For the tires, we only use the best Michelin PS4 SUV tires. Of course, you have a big wheels and a big van, you need more stopping power. So, on this unit, we use the AP Racing Radical 1 in custom finish color. I chooses the fluorescent yellow. For the stock brake on the front, it's only 4-pot, while the AP Racing aftermarket, we're using the 6-pot. For the rear, also, the stock is only 2-pot. So we're using 4-pot. So it means more braking power. And for the rotor, we're using the J-hook design. See the stance. Perfect. Simplicity is the best. This is what we call private glass. This is how it's look. Front, the driver is clear, while to the back is super dark. We also replaced the reverse to high power, and also we have mini ref or freezer. We're going to install on this unit also soon. Okay, if you're interested on how we built here and how we custom our wheels here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Guys, always stand out from the rest. See you here. Bye!